Picture this. Every Monday morning, Noah Bennett walked into the same office, sat at the same desk, and worked just as hard as everyone around him. Yet every year, he noticed something strange. His paycheck increased, but so did the price of rent, groceries, insurance, gas, and almost everything else. He wasn't irresponsible with money. He paid his bills on time, avoided unnecessary debt, and transferred part of every paycheck into his savings account. Watching that number slowly climb made him feel successful because he believed that saving money was the key to financial security. By the time he reached his early 30s, he had accumulated more cash than he ever thought possible. But one quiet Saturday afternoon, while reviewing his finances over coffee, he asked himself a question he had never considered before. If I've been doing everything right, why doesn't it feel like I'm getting ahead? That single question changed the direction of his financial life. Instead of searching for another budgeting trick or looking for ways to cut another $20 from his monthly expenses, Noah decided to understand how wealth is actually built. He discovered that many financially successful people didn't necessarily earn dramatically more money than everyone else. The difference was that they treated every dollar like an employee with a specific job. Some dollars protected them from emergencies. Others worked every day trying to create even more dollars. Noah realized that all of his money had been assigned only one job, sitting safely in a savings account. Safety was important, but safety alone couldn't create long-term financial growth. That realization didn't make him reckless. It made him curious. Instead of chasing exciting headlines or listening to people promising overnight success, he began learning how experienced investors thought about money. He discovered that they rarely focused on getting rich quickly. They focused on building systems that worked quietly for years. The more he learned, the more he understood that wealth wasn't usually created through one lucky decision. It was created through patience, consistency, and giving investments enough time to grow. One evening, while talking with his grandfather, Noah heard a sentence he would never forget. Money should be a tool, not a trophy. His grandfather explained that many people spend their entire lives collecting money without ever giving it a chance to create more opportunities. That conversation changed the way Noah viewed every dollar he earned. Before making his first investment, Noah strengthened his financial foundation. He built an emergency reserve large enough to cover unexpected expenses because he wanted confidence, not anxiety. Knowing he could handle surprises without touching his investments allowed him to think beyond the next few months. When he finally opened an investment account, he made himself one promise. He would never invest based on excitement or fear. Instead, every month, regardless of market headlines, he would invest a fixed amount automatically. Some friends laughed because the amount seemed too small to matter. Others told him he was starting at the wrong time because the market looked uncertain. Noah ignored both opinions. He understood that consistency often beats perfect timing. During his first year, his investments didn't move in a straight line. Some weeks the account gained value, and other weeks it lost value. At first, those declines made him uncomfortable, but instead of selling, he reminded himself why he started. He wasn't investing for next month. He was investing for the version of himself who would need financial freedom decades later. Slowly, his emotions became less important than his strategy. He stopped checking his portfolio every day and focused instead on improving his career, increasing his income, and continuing his monthly investments. Every raise he received became another opportunity to invest a little more without changing his lifestyle dramatically. There were moments when the news predicted economic uncertainty, and many people around him stopped investing completely. Noah almost did the same, but then he remembered that fear has always been temporary, while disciplined investing has always rewarded people willing to stay patient. Instead of running away from uncertainty, he continued following his plan. Months later, markets recovered, and he realized that staying calm had been one of the smartest financial decisions he had ever made. Over time, something surprising happened. His investment returns started generating returns of their own. What looked insignificant during the first few years slowly began accelerating. Noah realized that compounding wasn't dramatic in the beginning because it rewards patience before it rewards results. Looking back, he understood that the hardest part had never been finding the perfect investment. The hardest part had been trusting a process that didn't produce instant gratification. While many people around him constantly chased the newest trend, switched strategies every few months, or stopped investing whenever the news became negative, Noah stayed focused on his long-term plan. Years later, he noticed that money no longer created the same stress it once had. Unexpected expenses were handled by his emergency savings. Long-term goals were supported by steadily growing investments. He wasn't financially independent overnight, but every year, he had more choices than the year before. He could travel without worrying about every dollar, help family members when necessary, and think about opportunities instead of simply surviving from paycheck to paycheck. The greatest lesson Noah learned wasn't that investing always goes up, or that every year brings profits. Markets rise and fall, economies change, and uncertainty never completely disappears. The real lesson was that disciplined financial habits can continue working even when emotions try to interfere. Saving gave him stability whenever life became unpredictable. Investing gave him the opportunity to build a future that his paycheck alone could never provide. Together, they created a balance between security and growth. Noah often shared one simple idea whenever younger coworkers asked how they should begin managing money. He told them not to wait until they felt wealthy enough to invest or knowledgeable enough to understand every financial concept. Start by protecting yourself with savings, then gradually allow part of your money to begin working instead of simply waiting. Building wealth isn't about making one brilliant decision that changes your life overnight. It's about making hundreds of ordinary decisions that continue paying rewards long after you've forgotten making them. Looking back, Noah smiled at the person he used to be. The man who believed a growing savings account was the finish line had eventually discovered it was only the starting point. Real financial progress began the day he stopped asking, "How much money have I saved?" and started asking, "How hard is my money working for me?" That small change in perspective completely transformed the way he viewed every paycheck, every financial decision, and every opportunity that followed. In the end, Noah realized that earning money is only the beginning of the journey. Saving money provides protection along the way, but investing gives every dollar the chance to build something far greater than itself. And when patience, discipline, and time finally begin working together, financial freedom stops feeling like a dream and starts becoming a realistic destination.